Hi, my name is Teacher Mick. Welcome to Mark for Future Science Lesson Week 2 for P1. The things we'll need are some balloons, some CDs, and some bottle tops. First thing we need to do is make a hole in the bottle top. Then we're going to decorate the CD and glue with our hot glue gun. Be careful. We'll glue the lid on top of the CD. Then we will blow up the balloon, put the balloon on, and we're going to build a hovercraft. The pressure in the balloon will make this float over the desk. Now we've got the balloon blown up, put over the top, on top of the CD. Now the pressure in the balloon is going to release when I let it go. It's going to hover. 3, 2, 1. Hey, good job. Bye-bye.